got you, kid.
You didn't recognize me?
If you think nerdy girls are boring, then you better let me go.
Trust me, you're nothing like that. Now tell me who you are.
Who do you think I am?
Better not run away again.
Why would I want to escape?
Hard just being close to you.
I don't go for words. Even if she was stripping in front of me, dude, I wouldn't feel a thing.
So, should we do something more exciting?
What are you thinking?
Nervous?
Not at all.
See if you still say that in a minute. Now, Mark.
You don't even know who I am. Isn't this a little reckless?
I know exactly who you are, kid. You're the girl I can't stop thinking about.
What if I've already forgotten about you? Like Alicia. You know, your buddy's little sister. I heard you poured a drink on her. Pretty ruthless.
Why does everyone keep bringing her up tonight? Let's not let a nerd like her ruin our fun.
Let me go.
Your body betrays you. Ow. You're not going anywhere, kid. Let's see who you really are.
Download and watch more on tShort.